We are Laundry Room. Keep it clean. Sometimes we get dirty though. All right.